Welcome to this comprehensive guide to Tinlake, a decentralized finance platform designed to simplify and secure investments in tokenized real-world assets. Tinlake leverages blockchain technology to provide transparent and innovative ways for users to invest in various digital assets. The platform offers a seamless and user-friendly experience, making it easier for individuals to dive into the world of decentralized finance. Before diving into the Tinlake ecosystem, it's essential to know how to get started. First, you will need to create an account on the Tinlake website. Once you sign up, you can start exploring various investment opportunities within the platform. Tinlake gives you the ability to invest in a variety of tokenized real-world assets, offering potential returns and passive income options. Before we continue, did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Once you're logged into Tinlake, you can explore the different pools available for investment. These pools represent tokenized assets, where you can contribute your funds to participate in different projects. Tinlake uses smart contracts to ensure transparency and security, providing a seamless way for users to invest in and track their holdings. The platform also offers various tools to monitor your investments and analyze market conditions. You can easily track the performance of your assets, review transaction history, and gain insights into potential future returns. By integrating blockchain technology with decentralized finance, Tinlake creates a unique opportunity for users to earn rewards and grow their assets. The platform is ideal for those looking to diversify their portfolio with crypto-backed, tokenized real-world assets, while maintaining control over their investments. Make sure to explore all the investment options Tinlake offers and find the one that suits your needs. With passive income options and a transparent, decentralized approach to asset management, Tinlake opens new doors for crypto investors worldwide. If you enjoyed this guide, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials and hit that like button to support the channel.